An entrepreneurship ecosystem around a venture builder, like the one created by Starttech Ventures, offers a plethora of opportunities for various types of candidates. There is a very wide spectrum of specialties needed in different stages, in companies of different stages, which is actually very fascinating. Just to give some idea about our current size, the whole ecosystem, including Epignosis and Yodec, currently employs more than 250 individuals. And we expect that by the end of this year, we shall grow to around 400. Currently, there are more than 50 job openings in companies of Starttech Ventures, of the Starttech Ventures portfolio. I'd like to invite you to look at them by going to the Starttech website, www.starttech.vc/startupjobs, and then you can see this variety of openings. One should understand that there is a big difference with working in a mature company, like for example Epignosis or Yodec, than in an earlier stage company. It depends on the personality. If somebody would like to have a more stable and more predictable environment, they should go for a more mature company. However, somebody who is more creative, perhaps more adventurous, they have no problem to be in a more agile environment, and they want to enjoy a great upside, perhaps by stock options or something like that, working for an early stage company like Cyclops, Dreamclass, Veturilo, or Science Training is a great choice. Because when an employee joins an early stage startup in that very beginning of the journey, they enjoy the benefits of a co-founder more or less, with some very interesting stability and safety, exactly because those companies are parts of the venture building entrepreneurship ecosystem, and the success rate of those startups is much higher than average. So please visit our website, have a look at the job openings over there, and try to decide whether you would be a better fit in an early stage company or in a later stage one. It's very interesting to observe that there is a very wide variety of different specialties in the job openings offered by an entrepreneurship ecosystem like the one of Starttech Ventures. We are looking for talented programmers, software engineers, but also marketeers, individuals who love finance and administration, human resources, and generally a very wide spectrum of specialties. The very interesting thing with those companies is that geographically they are not only for roles based in Greece, but also in the United States, in the UK and Cyprus, and in the near future we plan to add more geographies in the roles and the openings that we are going to offer. I would like to emphasize that we very rarely hire for qualifications and experience. We hire for personality. We like people who are very open to learn, to keep learning each and every day. This is the most important aspect of a candidate to be considered for a Starttech Ventures company. Willingness to learn and of course willingness to collaborate. This way you can learn everything you need and you will be able to support your team and to be supported by your team. Please have a look at the description of this video where you can find a link to our website with various information about the Starttech Ventures companies and the opportunities offered, in particular the job openings.